Do this to remove blackheads from the nose in just a few minutes. It is frustrating to see everyone around you with flawless skin and you have a T-zone dotted with ugly blackheads. You look into the mirror, see all the dark specks and spots, and ask, how do I fix this? Well, guess what? There is a surprisingly quick and simple solution. Blackheads and pimples have a lot in common. A blackhead is the growth of gunk lying below your skin surface, which will turn black after being oxidized. Meanwhile, a whitehead is the growth of excess spun and wax, which hasn't breached your skin surface. Unlike blackheads, the air can oxidize whiteheads, so they can turn black. Various factors can be the causes of blackheads, such as an unbalanced diet, changes in hormones, lack of skin care, as well as using cosmetics excessively. Also, genetics or stress can make blackheads appear as well. Blackheads are commonly found in the face, especially on or around the nose. Baking soda is an effective treatment for blackheads as well as acne. It helps clear the skin of impurities such as debris and dirt. Follow these steps to remove blackheads. 1. Combine 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of sea salt in a cup. 2. Stir until the ingredients are evenly blended, and then apply the scrub to damp, just washed skin. Massage the skin gently with your fingers, concentrating on dry patches or problem areas. Let the mask soak in for 10 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. 3. Rinse off face agent with cold water to close the pores. Apply this scrub no more than 2-3 times a week, to avoid drying out or irritating your skin. For more useful information and tips, please like and subscribe.